In today's video, we will be taking an unboxing and overview of the Logitech G435 gaming Bluetooth headset and wireless headset too. This is a kind of a fairly cheap headset from Logitech, the G435. Now there is higher models than this obviously, but this is kind of like the entry level for wireless headphones. The wireless and Bluetooth headphones for sort of gaming headset sort of thing. I think I paid about £40 for this, which I think is a decent deal in the Amazon Prime sale, which was just recently gone. So yeah, let's just take an unboxing and then we'll just take a little overview and go from there. Now £40 isn't much for a headset, is it? Let's be fair. So I'm not expecting like miracles here. I'm not expecting the sound quality to be absolutely top notch. But anyway, let's just see what it can do. You know, it's still Logitech. It's a Logitech product, so it's got to be quality. Logitech, I've always sort of brought off Logitech and always thought they're a very good brand, so should all be good. Keep playing there, it says, so you know, quite nice packaging, I'd say. Got a little. This looks like the wireless dongle. Let's just have a look at what this is here. Yeah, so the wireless USB dongle plugs into a USB-A port there. Hopefully you can see that. And then we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which is obviously nice as well. So you can charge this. Apparently it does up to about 18 hours of battery life, so that's pretty good actually for a wireless headset. And it is Bluetooth as well. If I didn't mention that before, it's Bluetooth as well as wireless. And then we just got our sort of safety guide and what have you. But anyway, let's move that to the side and let's look at the product. This headset as well is kind of a bit more aimed towards a smaller head. So people that maybe are obviously sort of young adults or kids probably, but obviously if you are an older adult as well, then it's still going to be fine. I mean, if I just pull down the ear cups here, there isn't loads of room for a massive head, but I mean for me it's going to be perfect. I mean, yeah, I mean there's loads of room for me, but I know that I've got probably, I'd say I've got a smaller head, I would say, than probably average. So it could be a bit too small if you've got a very large head. Yeah, see, that's ginormous for me. That goes easily. I only need the headset about halfway up. So this is the black and the yellow version. You can get it in like a different colour, like a blue and purple or something, I think it was. First impressions look good. I mean, it feels fairly sturdy. There's some, you know, it's fairly rigid, but it's not like, it doesn't feel like you're going to break it if you kind of move the cups and what have you. And talking of the cups, they are quite, I'd say they're quite large. You can't actually tilt them, which is a little bit annoying. So they won't fold up, unfortunately. You can't like fold them up like you can if you're going to have like a portable headset. So that's a little bit annoying. But this is more of a gaming headset rather than a portable sort of like Bluetooth headset. You know, and the cups are very comfortable. I mean, it easily goes on my head and it actually feels really comfortable on my head there. And yeah, they're quite deep. There's no, well, it is a little bit exposed where the speakers are, but that's not really too much of a problem. So yeah, all the kind of buttons and stuff are on the left hand side. So some people might like that, some people might like it on the right hand side, but it is on the left ear cup. So you have your power button first of all, then you have your volume up and down rocker. So well, it's not like a rocker, it's just buttons actually rather than a rocker, but that's okay. Then we have a mic mute button, so that will just mute the mic if you press that. And then we have our USB-C charging connector at the bottom there as well, so that's all on the left ear cup. So what I'll do now is I'll connect onto my phone via the Bluetooth, and then we'll give it a go and see what it's like. So we just paired it there. Basically you had to switch it on and then hold down the mute button and the power button for about 3 seconds, and it goes to like a flashing sort of green colour, and then that's the pairing mode, and then you pair it to your Bluetooth. And then what we'll do is we'll just stick some music on now and have a look and see what it's like. Strangers, one more time. that's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty average in terms of sounding, I would say. I mean, I'm not an audiophile, so I can't really comment too much in terms of that side. But I mean, to me, it's perfectly fine. It's kind of like just a standard standard Bluetooth headset, I would say, in terms of the in terms of the sound. Fairly bassy, but not too bassy, and you know, sort of just a generic, decent sound from what you'd expect from sort of like a cheapish Logitech headset. So not bad. I mean, overall, I do think the product is quite okay. The headband is quite nice. It's quite comfortable. It's quite soft there. It's basically just a little bit of sort of material across there, sort of leather or plush leather, I think it is. I'm not sure. It's not, maybe not even that, but I'm not exactly sure. But it's just a very light headband, really. But obviously, if you're doing hours upon hours of gaming, you just want a light headset. So yeah, I mean, I could wear that. I could wear that hours without a problem. Really, it is comfortable. I mean, personally, I do like the styling. I do think it's a nice headset. It's got the G435 there at the bottom there, or at the side. I do think the cups could maybe be fully closed off, so you can't see like where the speakers are. And that I don't really like that side, but that's just a preference on my side, sort of thing. And it is labelled left and right clearly, so you won't get the headset the wrong way round. So that's nice. 18 hours sort of playback time that you get. I think it's about 2 hours to charge or something. I think they were saying, but I'm not sure. So not bad for a Bluetooth headset's pretty good. And like I say, it does have the wireless dongle, so if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth, you can just plug this into your USB-A port, and then you've got used to actually use that headset. So that's not bad at all, and that's pretty good. So what I'll do now is I'll probably try and do a mic test here, and then I'll just sort of conclude the video. This is the mic test for the Logitech G435. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. So as you can hear, the microphone is quite clear, and probably for online games it would be fine. But certainly if you're streaming, it's certainly not adequate, and you would need to invest into an external microphone, should I say. Yeah, so to conclude, it's a decent headset, I think, for £40. So I think you're going to be alright with this headset. Like I say, the only things I would like is actually the ear cups to kind of fold in, or to actually fold round like that. I think mainly just for portability that would be a bit better, but again, this is kind of aimed for people who've got it by their desk and they're not really taking it so much portable. But I do think, as it's a wireless headset, portability is a big thing. And obviously, I haven't been able to test the wireless range, but I have been told it is pretty good. It's probably about at least 20 meters or so, maybe more, in terms of, at least for the dongle. Probably your Bluetooth's going to go even further, maybe 50 meters or so, but I can't guarantee. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite good range. So yeah, I certainly think if you're buying this for a kid, it's going to be perfect. Maybe if you're buying this for yourself, you might want to invest in a little bit of a more expensive headset, and maybe quality-wise, in terms of sort of like quality of music and obviously sound effects and what have you. In game, you're probably going to get you are going to get a better experience. I didn't mention as well that the mic is actually inbuilt. I think it's 2 mics on either side. I could be wrong, or there's maybe just 1 mic. But the mic is actually built in. There isn't a separate mic. So the mic that you probably heard in the mic test is probably, it is pretty bad actually. It's not going to be good enough for streaming, obviously. So if you are streaming, this isn't the headset for you unless you buy a separate microphone. You are going to need a separate microphone, because if you're streaming, it's not going to work. But if you're going to play with your mates and then just want to talk to your mates, then this is going to be fine for that. So yeah, I think overall this is a decent headset. I like the colouring, I like the style of it. I think the fact that it's Bluetooth as well as wireless kind of gives you that extra option, just to kind of pair it to your phone or your laptop, and then stick the wireless dongle into your PC and what have you, and then it just gives you so many options to use it. So yeah, I hope you like this little overview and unboxing of this Logitech G435 or G435 gaming headset, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.